Hey everyone, this is Brad from Web Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of Basecamp. Basecamp is our project management system that we use for all client projects. At this point, you should have received an email invite to access your project. In order to access that, all you need to do is open the email that you were sent, and then I believe it's going to ask you to create a password. Once you create the password, then you will have access to your project. So right now, you can either log in a number of different ways. You can go to basecamp.com and you can click on sign in. And once you sign in, you will see your project. For me, we have a number of different projects that we're setting up and working for clients. But for yours, you will see just your project. So we're going to use Milwaukee Steel Corp as a sample here on what your project would look like. So the first thing you're going to see is you're going to see the name of your company. You are going to see all the people that are assigned to your project. This includes the designers, project managers, sales people, everybody from the web tech team, along with anybody at your company who is coordinating with us on your project as well. So you'll be able to see all the people here. And for each area here, you're going to see a number of different things. Right now, no updates yet. So what will happen is as we're progressing through your project, we will move this needle up as we're getting things done so you can see the progress and see how much is left yet in your project. Also, there's a number of things that you'll be able to do here through Basecamp. Number one is the to-do list. So you will see on the to-do list that we have a templated to-do list on everything that we have to do from step A all the way to the completion step Z to launching your website, submitting it to Google. So what's going to happen here is as we go down these tasks and as we complete them, we will check them off. When they are checked off, you and everybody at the company will receive an email letting you guys know that this task has been completed. So this is a good way to see what we're doing and keep track of our progress on what still needs to be done. So you will see the uncompleted tasks, and then anything completed will then start moving down here and it'll show completed tasks, and you can see everything that we have done. So on each of these tasks, there's a number of things that you can do and we can do as the designers and you as the client. So for example, if we're down here and we complete, say for example, the home page and it's completed, you can actually add a comment here on anything that you want changed or modified, and you can add that comment to the task itself. And anytime someone adds a comment here, everybody on this project will get an email notification, and it will show in the email what that person said or commented on. Also, when you open up your email and you see a specific task and maybe people are talking back and forth regarding it, in your email, you can actually respond to your email right from your email, and it will actually put your comment into Basecamp. So you don't have to specifically log into Basecamp to add your comment. You can do it also right from your email. So that's a cool thing with Basecamp, is that you don't have to log in. You can coordinate by messages you receive and notifications. So here you will see the to-do list. Like I mentioned, you will see who on the team is responsible for that specific task. A lot of this stuff in the beginning here is a lot of setup stuff, everything from creating your client folder in our office to adding you on Basecamp, going through your domain name. Do we need to purchase that? Things like that. So as we start getting down a little further, You will then see that after we set up this for the designers will then start working on your pages and things like that all the way to the end here. So you'll know exactly when everything's completed and what's left and what's not completed. So if you go back here to your project, you will also have a docs and files area. So this docs and files area, you can easily go in here and you can add any files that you want to share with us. So if you have PDFs or Google Docs or images, anything, you can add all those here. So you can, create a new folder if you want. You can name that, pictures. You could save it. And then now that you have that folder here, you can now enter in any folders that you have. So you can just go to upload files, find the image that you want to upload, and you can upload multiple images at the same time as well. So you can click on one and click open. It'll do one at a time, or you can do shift. If you hold down shift and then the left mouse button, it will select a number of them and then click open, and then it will pop them in here. So as you're adding images and files and things like that, you can also add any notes here on what that is. So if you're a service-based company and you're uploading pictures for certain pages, you can put what that picture is and what page it goes to. If you want to remove any of these images, just click the X. And also when you're uploading images, you can click on who gets notified when you're uploading those. So what I always suggest is to click all people who can see this project and then click post. That way everybody will get notified and we can come back here and we can, grab those images or anything that you want to upload. So if you have a logo, PDF documents, Word documents for page text, if you're coming up with verbiage for specific pages and you want to label it like, contact us page or FAQ page, you can literally create a folder and then upload that doc right to there. So what this does is it keeps everything organized. So we can upload items here as well as you can also. A number of other things that you could do here. So you'll see the docs and files, the message board. So this message board, you could post a message and everybody on this group will see it. So if you have a specific question, you could post, let's see, homepage changes, and you can list the changes you want on the homepage, or if you have a specific question, you could title it whatever you want and type that in there. Also, when you're up here, make sure to select that everybody can see the post. Otherwise, what's going to happen is if you put no one, we will not get notified. So make sure that you select all 6 people who can see this project with anything you guys do, so that way everybody's aware of what's going on. So you have your message board, which is ongoing, incoming, outgoing messages to you guys or to us back and forth. To-do list, what's completed, what's not, docs and files for all pictures, logos, documents, verbiage, everything. Chat. So chat is also a cool feature that you get in Basecamp where you can start typing anything in here and you can do an at symbol and it will show you all the people in here. So if you want to talk to somebody specifically, you can click on their name and then you could start, typing your message. And then hit enter. And then everybody will see this as well. So if somebody chats in the Basecamp project, in your project, everybody will also get an email notification as well. So anything we do in this project, like I said, you get an email notification as well as anybody else who's on this project in your company. So they can actually respond right from the email as opposed to logging in Basecamp. But for Basecamp 2, let me see here. If you go back, there's also a schedule date. So this schedule is for meetings, or if we want to set a deadline where we say, hey, if you have a project where you need it done by a certain time, say, for example, it needs to be done by the 24th, we can add an event and say, go live with client's website on the 24th. So that way, everybody on the team, both in your company and in WebTech, knows that we have to achieve everything, get everything done by that date. And that date that we picked out is our go live launch date. So, excuse me. So it's very good at organizing not only deadlines, but meetings as well. So if we have a meeting where we want to review the site, things like that, we could set up, a notification meeting on the 15th, and everybody will get that notification as well. So also, let me go back to here. Project activity. This will show you everything that was done recently, all across the board. Any messages, completed tasks that need to be done, things like that. You can also go up to this area up here that says My Stuff, and you can click on My Assignments. So sometimes we assign something to yourself, the client, which may include something like, we need verbiage for this page. So what we'll do is we'll go into the to-do list and we will create a new to-do, and we will assign it to a specific person. And then when it's due on, if we want to select a due date. So if we need a document from someone at your company, we'll assign it to one of you guys or both on the day that we'd like to have it by, and then add it. So what will happen is you'll get an email notification that'll let you know, hey, WebTech assigned you a task to do, and you can pretty much complete that task. And then once you're done, just click the check mark and we'll know that it's completed. So this is really awesome. Basecamp is just great for organizing everything. It really helps move the projects along and keeps everybody on the same page. So you can use everything here in Basecamp. Also, right now I'm looking at it on desktop. So you can also download the app. So if you go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and you type in Basecamp, you can download that as well right to your phone. So when you are on Google Play or the Apple Store, it's basically going to look like this. If you type in Basecamp, it's just going to say Basecamp Project Management, and you're going to see a yellow and black icon here. So that's the one that you want. So once you sign in and you download it to your mobile phone, it will give you access right away. So I'll open up your project and everything like that. So also for Basecamp, even after the project is done, we will keep this project open for you. So if you ever need to get a hold of us quickly, you can easily, go to Basecamp and you could post a new message. You could say, hey guys, I want to add a new page to the website, things like that. So we will get alerted that you posted that message. It'll also have a timestamp on when you did it, and we will respond right away. So we're very quick at responding. Usually when somebody sends us a message, we're responding within, I'd say, 10 to 15 minutes. And usually with the changes that clients submit to us, we usually get that done same day and complete that for you right away. So this is not only a tool for your project, but also after for support and things like that. So the next thing we are working on is getting everything set up on our end. Now that everybody has been invited to Basecamp, once we're done getting set up, you'll start seeing tasks being completed as well as communication back and forth on Basecamp. So We look forward to working on your project, and we will talk to you soon.